Hi everyone, welcome back to CSS in under 5 minutes. I'm Andrew, and today we're exploring sizing properties in CSS. Mastering sizing properties like width, height, minimum width, minimum height, and max height, along with aspect ratio, is essential for creating responsive and well-proportioned designs. We'll cover how to use these properties effectively and demonstrate techniques for responsive sizing and maintaining aspect ratios. So let's dive in. First, let's look at the basic width and height properties. These properties define the size of an element's content area. In this example, the size box, noted here and here in the code, has a fixed width of 300 pixels and a height of 200 pixels. These properties are straightforward but crucial for setting the base dimensions of your elements. Just in case you're curious, we set them right here. Next, let's explore the min and max width. These properties set the minimum and maximum width of an element, providing flexibility within defined bounds. In this specific example here, the min max width div, right over here, uses percentages with 50%, noted right here. But it won't shrink below 150 pixels, and it won't grow beyond 400 pixels, thanks to the min and max width properties. This ensures elements remain usable and visually appealing across different devices and sizes. We'll notice it never gets smaller than 150, never gets larger than 400. Similarly, minimum height and maximum height control the vertical sizing of elements, ensuring they don't become too small or too large. Again, in this example here, the min-max height div, noted here and here, has a height set to 50% of its container, but it won't be shorter than 100 pixels and it won't be taller than 300 pixels due to the min height and maximum height properties. These provide vertical flexibility while maintaining design integrity. Here again, we'll resize the screen. You'll see how after a certain point it never becomes larger and also never becomes smaller. Responsive sizing ensures that your elements adapt seamlessly to different screen sizes and devices. Let's see how to combine the sizing properties we've just learned to create a responsive layout within this current example. Here we have the responsive container and the responsive box, which adjusts its width based upon the container size while maintaining a 4:3 aspect ratio. This combination ensures that the box scales proportionally, providing a consistent appearance across various screen sizes. Let me demonstrate this to you. As we resize this, the box itself is perfectly proportioned the entire time. Lastly, the aspect ratio property allows you to maintain a consistent width to height ratio for your elements, ensuring they scale proportionally. In this aspect ratio box, it maintains a 16:9 ratio regardless of the width. This is incredibly useful for embedding videos, images, and any other media that requires a specific aspect ratio, ensuring they scale correctly across different devices. We note that the width right here is 100% of the parent container with a maximum width of 500 pixels. We then set the aspect ratio right here, 16:9, never needing to set the height, ensuring that we keep that perfect proportion no matter the size of the window or the parent container. Maintaining aspect ratios is crucial for media elements like images and videos to prevent distortion. The aspect ratio property makes this easy. Here, the aspect maintain div, which is right here, maintains a 16:9 aspect ratio, and the image inside scales proportionally without distortion using object fit cover. This technique is perfect for embedding responsive images or videos that need to retain their original proportions. So let me resize this screen here, and you can see how the image for every resizing is perfect, and we don't lose a single bit of that image. So to recap, we've covered the essential sizing properties with CSS: width, height, min width, max width, min height, max height, and aspect ratio. We've also explored responsive sizing and techniques for maintaining aspect ratios, which are vital for creating adaptable and visually appealing designs. Understanding and mastering these properties will significantly enhance your ability to build responsive and flexible web layouts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest CSS tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you next time.